Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and healthier egg salad using yogurt. First, let's prepare our main ingredient, the eggs. You'll want to boil 6 large eggs for exactly 10 minutes to ensure a perfectly firm yolk. Once boiled, immediately plunge them into an ice bath for about 5 minutes. This stops the cooking and makes them much easier to peel. Then, gently peel them under cold running water. Now let's create our creamy, tangy dressing that makes this egg salad so special. In a medium bowl, combine 1/2 cup of plain Greek yogurt. Next, stir in 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. This adds a wonderful depth of flavor. Then, add 2 tablespoons of fresh dill, finely chopped, for a bright, herbaceous note. Finally, season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. With our eggs peeled and our dressing ready, it's time to bring everything together. Take your cooled, peeled eggs and chop them into small, bite-sized pieces. You want them uniform for the best texture. Now, gently fold these chopped eggs into the creamy yogurt dressing we just prepared. To add a lovely textural contrast and a hint of freshness, incorporate 1/4 cup of finely diced celery. Mix until just combined. Your delicious egg salad is almost ready to enjoy. For the best flavor, I highly recommend chilling the salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows all those wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. When you're ready to serve, it's fantastic on toasted bread, in a sandwich, or even scooped into crisp lettuce cups for a lighter option. A sprinkle of paprika or a fresh dill sprig makes a lovely garnish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.